Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to curve text in Davinci Resolve. So guys, if you're currently using Davinci Resolve and want to curve your text, watch this tutorial because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So the first thing is to add the text, right? So you want to go up to effects on the upper left hand side, click on that, and then you want to click on titles. Now from here, you want to look for text plus. Now if you're using, for example, DaVinci Resolve 19, you'll have the option that says text and text plus. Now the important thing why you need to use text plus, because when you click on text and drag that onto your timeline, you don't have additional options how to modify the text as much as you'd like. So it's best to go ahead and use text plus. Let me go ahead and remove this one from my timeline, because the text plus allow you to get more options to do that, and this is going to allow you to do exactly what we need to. So I have my text here on my timeline, guys. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as custom text. You can change whatever you want, but let's go ahead and change, for example, the font style or something like that. Yeah, let's find something. Let's use this as an example. Right, so now that we have it, text looks great. Let's leave it as that. Now the next thing you want to do is under the section where you have the text, click on layout, and from here you want to go ahead and change the type from point to circle, and you can see immediately that the text is now curved. Now you can go ahead and you can play around with the width, and this will allow you to curve the text more to your liking. So if you put it to the right, it will bring the text up, but if you bring it down to the left hand side, you will see that it start to curve your text more and more and more and more. So bring it more towards the left hand side, and that's going to curve your text. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and curve text in DaVinci Resolve. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.